Quantum mechanics is over 100 years old and is one of the most successful theories known to mankind. Basically, it deals with the behavior of matter at the atomic and subatomic level. But how was this beautiful theory developed? Did it come from a single mind? This is Q&A, and here's the answer to the question, how was quantum mechanics born? Let's go back to the 1890s. We had pretty much figured out how the world works. We had Newton's and Kepler's laws to explain planetary motion. We could explain the waves on strings, the ripples in the water, and we had even developed the theory of electromagnetism. But when we think we know everything, nature throws us problems. The first problem came in the form of nature of light. Is light a wave or is it a particle? Well, experiments show it is both. But scientists were unable to explain its true character. They wanted to know what is light, and this was a topic of debate since the 17th century. The second problem was the blackbody spectrum. In 1900, a group of manufacturers approached Max Planck. For those who don't know about Max Planck, he's the father of quantum physics. The manufacturers wanted to know the method of making their bulbs efficient. This required a better understanding of the blackbody spectrum. Max Planck came up with a solution. He said that energy emitted from a radiating source is quantized. This means that the energy cannot be in fractions, that is, 1.5 units, 2.6 units, 3.9 units were not allowed. Energy can only be in discrete units, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So, Planck replaced the concept of continuous energy with discrete packets. Planck regarded this hypothesis as the most difficult task in his life, but he didn't believe it to be true. Then came Albert Einstein. While Planck did not realize how radical this work was, Einstein sensed that something deep is hidden in this hypothesis. In 1905, he took Planck's idea forward and said that light is itself made of these discrete energy packets called quanta of energy. And with this assumption, he successfully explained the photoelectric effect. The word quantum was then just used as a label for a unit of some quantity. The debate over nature of light was how quantum mechanics began. The theory was then developed by great minds like Rutherford, Bohr, Heisenberg, Schrödinger, Dirac and many others. In the comment section below, do ask your questions for the next episode of Q&A.